Pakistan is a country in South Asia that gained independence from British colonial rule on August 14, 1947. The history of Pakistan is shaped by its geographical location at the crossroads of South Asia, Central Asia, and the Middle East, as well as by its diverse ethnic and linguistic groups. Prior to independence, the territory of Pakistan was part of British India. In 1940, the All India Muslim League, led by Muhammad Ali Jinnah, demanded a separate Muslim state, which eventually led to the creation of Pakistan as a Muslim-majority country. India and Pakistan were partitioned in 1947, leading to the displacement of millions of people and widespread violence. Pakistan initially comprised two regions: East Pakistan, present-day Bangladesh, and West Pakistan, present-day Pakistan. However, tensions between the two regions and the central government in West Pakistan led to a civil war in 1971, resulting in the secession of East Pakistan and the creation of Bangladesh. Throughout its history, Pakistan has faced political instability, military coups, and conflicts with neighboring India. In the 1980s, Pakistan became a key player in the Soviet-Afghan War, supporting the Mujahideen fighters who were fighting against Soviet forces in Afghanistan. This support eventually led to the rise of the Taliban in Afghanistan and the growth of Islamic extremism in Pakistan. In recent years, Pakistan has faced challenges such as terrorism, sectarian violence, and corruption. However, the country has also made progress in areas such as economic development and women's rights. Today, Pakistan is a parliamentary democracy with a federal system of government, although the military still wields significant power. Pakistan is a country with a rich and diverse cultural heritage that has been influenced by various factors, including its location at the crossroads of South Asia, Central Asia, and the Middle East, as well as its history of colonization, migration, and trade. Here are some key aspects of Pakistani culture. Religion. The majority of the Pakistani population is Muslim, and Islam plays a central role in the country's culture and traditions. Islamic customs and practices are reflected in daily life, including religious festivals such as Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. Languages. Pakistan has two official languages, Urdu and English, but there are also many regional languages spoken across the country, including Punjabi, Sindhi, Balochi, and Pashto. Each language has its own unique culture and traditions. Cuisine. Pakistani cuisine is rich and diverse, and reflects the country's history and geography. Some popular dishes include biryani, kebabs, and curries, as well as various types of bread such as naan and roti. Music and dance. Pakistani music and dance is diverse, with influences from South Asia, Central Asia, and the Middle East. Some popular genres include qawwali, ghazals, and classical music, as well as folk music and dance styles such as bhangra and dole. Festivals. Pakistan has a rich tradition of festivals, many of which are religious in nature. Some of the most important festivals include Eid al-Fitr, Eid al-Adha, and the annual Urs celebrations of Sufi saints. Arts and crafts. Pakistan has a rich tradition of arts and crafts, including pottery, textiles, and jewelry. Some popular handicrafts include embroidery, weaving, and rug making. Sports. Cricket is the most popular sport in Pakistan, and the national team has enjoyed success on the international stage. Other popular sports include field hockey, soccer, and squash. These are just a few of the many aspects of Pakistani culture. Despite its challenges, Pakistan has a vibrant and diverse cultural heritage that continues to evolve and thrive.